Hey guys, Joe here again, and today we're gonna do a little review on Avalon King's Armor Shield 9. It's a do-it-yourself ceramic coating kit. Pretty reasonably priced. I'll put the link below to their site. I'm sure some of you heard about it. Figured we'd give it a shot. We did this 2005 E46 convertible back here. Figured this would be a good example to try it out on. This might give the majority of the DIYers, this would be kind of the condition car I would think that you would do it to. This one's 14 years old. 99,000 miles. So it had some scratches, some dings, the paint's not perfect. We did a light paint correction on it beforehand to make it as good as possible. And then we coated this one about a week ago, and it's seen a couple rainstorms, and then I just washed it for the first time a couple minutes ago. And we'll kind of show some of the water beading results here in a minute. But first, let's open that guy up and see what it comes with. All right, so this right here is a new kit, all shrink wrapped. We'll give her a little slice. Ooh. Peel it off. So, nice little box. Armor Shield 9 Nano ceramic coating. All the rage anymore, and this stuff kind of runs the gauntlet on prices. I mean, you can have cheap Chinese kits that are next to nothing online, all the way up to some people are charging over $1,000 to do a coating. But yeah, so we'll slide this open. This one falls on the very budget-friendly line, and also their website has a ton of information on how to do it yourself, which is kind of nice. A lot of places are pretty protective on it, and kind of want professionals to do it. Comes with a sticker, and then a little thank you card. And this is a single kit. They list online kind of what you're supposed to buy. This would be for a small car. I used one on the convertible back there. It says 2 for like a mid-sized car, 3 for an SUV. They offer discounted prices for quantity buys. So it comes in a nice little metal bottle. Foam insert. And it does come with a single microfiber for removing the coating after you put it on. And it comes with 3 Microsuede cloths for applying it, which is kind of nice, so you can kind of rotate through, or if you don't do it all in one shot, you got more to do it. And it comes with the foam little applicator pad. One side is much softer, and all you do there is wrap on, and then you open this guy up and you dab it across. And they got plenty of info on their site. Comes with a pair of rubber gloves so you don't have to get your hands all dirty, and then the instruction booklet. So for the inexpensive price, it is a pretty comprehensive kit. So what I did before the car is I paint corrected the car, because ceramic coating, you're gonna want to have the paint underneath it what you want, because once it's on there, and you got a few years to wait supposedly to be able to get back down there. So we paint corrected it, and then I did a little alcohol wipe down with this stuff, and a microfiber, and then I kind of went to town. We detail a lot of cars, so they say to move and do one panel at a time. I found it gave enough work time that I could apply a panel, move to the next panel, and then wipe down the previous one, move to the next panel, wipe down the previous one, and I kind of did that, and it was actually a very quick process in that fashion. But if you're doing it yourself first time, I would do one panel at a time, just so it doesn't dry too fast on you. I'll show a little video on us applying it on the LR4. Pretty much just a crosshatch pattern. They give you in the instructions on how long to wait, so dry and curing time. And so after coating, if it's 50 degrees, you wait 4 to 5 minutes, 60 degrees, 2 to 3 minutes, 70 degrees, wait 1 minute. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with how easy the kit was to do. We have it on a LR4 that I'll be able to give some updates over a period of time and see how it's holding up. This one, you know, we probably won't see too long, but it actually gave it a pretty good shine on top of. Granted, we paint corrected it, but it gave it a tiny bit more depth, and it actually did look better after it was coated versus before. And then we also did the glass on it, so it kind of gives it a Rain-X water beading effect. The biggest thing I was impressed with was on the black plastic trim, as you can see like on the mirror, it made that look like new again. So those there looked like the cowl. I left that alone to give a little comparison, and it gave it a nice sheen and kind of put it back to black. So that was a neat side effect of it. So another benefit. But yeah, we're gonna throw some water on it so you can see it bead right now, and then we'll kind of see how the LR4 holds up over time, and I'll keep that updated. But as you can see, it runs right off, and that's the whole point of it. Pretty awesome. Do some on the hood and glass here. So we'll throw some on the flat surface and get my feet wet. But as you can see, the water sheets right off. Like I said, this was put on a week ago. Been through probably 3 rainstorms and 1 hand wash just now. All right, so we'll try some on the glass. As you can see, sheets right off. So on the safety aspect, you should be able to see better in the rain. But overall, I mean, for under $100 per kit, I'm super impressed with this. So if it holds up to any length of time, I would say even if you got a year out of it, it would be definitely worth it. I mean, it's not much more than a decent paint sealant or wax. So super impressed with it so far. Should keep the cars easier to clean, a little protection. But yeah, so we'll try and keep it updated on the how it holds up on the LR4 over the next few months, year, whatever. And for everyone else that's been kind of asking, the next video is going to be on the Touareg. So look for that in a couple days. Exciting. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.